Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below, where you can get one at a low cost. Get it fast and free shipped to you in no time. About to find out what this is. Oh man. Here we go. If you like this item today, all you gotta do is gonna click the link, add it to your shopping cart, and that's it. And you can continue back your shopping experience. So we got here. Alright. It's only one box. Yep. Coming from NURSAL, I do believe, TEC.BEAN. This is a mini massager. If you're on the road and you're going to need a few minutes to relax after your workout or whatever you're doing, this would be a perfect little item to get. And great stocking stuffer for hopefully this holiday season. Add it to your wish list if you want. And you'll get notifications in case there's any sales and stuff like that. There we go. Oh, pretty cool. Kind of looks like an iPod. Got the controls right there. Alright, put that there. Get that out of the way. Oop, we got a nice little travel pouch. And here we go. Here's all the pads. Other one. These are easy to set up. Takes no time. Here's a little charger, or the plug. Where's my scissors? There we go. Give me one sec. Gotta get this coating off. Oh man, come on. Give me one second, guys. Be right down. Oh man. Maybe not. It's a little doozy. It's a doozy. There we go. Alright. There we go. Finally. Got that guy out of there. Oh, come on. Now it's stuck to me. Oops. There we go. Alright. One more piece of paper in the box. Oh, no. On my fingers. Alright. We continue again. We got this. Kind of looks like a headphone, but it's not. That's where the magic begins. Here we go. So you put those pads onto that. Snap it in. Plug it into that little device you saw earlier. They got the USB to go with this guy. And then let's pull it all out. How about that? Do not eat this. And this must be like a... Oh. It's a thing to wrap on when you finish. Pretty cool. We're not going to need that one. Here's these guys. We got the glues. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are. We got it loaded up. got enough charge right now. Too much glare. You got the feet area you could do. Your hands. Your head. Your earlobes. You can adjust the strength. We're going to do it full power. Oh, nice. Now you guys can't see it. I'm going to crank it up. Halfway. I don't know if you guys can see it. Nope, the camera. But yeah, that's really cool at nighttime too. 20 minutes sounds good for now. But we ain't going to do a full 20. I already put the pads on. See, really easy. Just connect it to the connectors. And then remove the film or whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to hook it up to my arms. And I think you can still reuse these after you stick them. And just put the film over it. Let's see. Ooh, it's like a freezing gel. Oh no. Got it stuck to my gloves. Alright. We'll leave that on for a second. Well, you can have it like this. Oh, I feel it. It's like a little pinchy going on. So, oh, you got it like that. Kind of tingle sensation. And like, you can change mode to hands, feet, ears, the head. But that's on the hands. I'm going to turn it up a little bit more. Ooh. Yeah, I can feel it. I got it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Down at the bottom right there. There we go. It's almost there and I can feel it like pretty crazy. Actually feels pretty good. Oh, yeah. So definitely check these guys out, YouTubers. The link will be down below. And like I said, see what other goodies they have to offer. And check out. Be safe. Have a good day. See ya.